Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 black screen issue. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, click here and then type background apps. Now turn off all those background applications just by turning off the first option, and then go to GeForce Experience and then drivers. Now make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card and then go to settings, scroll down until you find the image scaling and then enable it, and then go to Windows Update settings. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now the last thing you have to do, go to Windows Update settings, View Advanced System Settings, and then click settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and then just close it and restart your computer. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.